416 Highland Avenue, Mount Vernon. Nice looking street. In the front door. Okay, so we're in this big, beautiful house, newly renovated. Let's take a look inside. What do we got? Giant bedroom. Big, huge bedroom. Look at this great window. Isn't that a beautiful window? That's original from approximately 1930. Great. Okay. Let's take a look what else we have here. Let's go see. Another big bedroom. Wow. High ceilings. Very high ceilings. Completely redone floors. The hardwood floors are beautiful. New windows. Very high ceilings. Kitchen. Brand new. Never used. Fresh, new kitchen. Shaker cabinets. Brand new. Never used. Big high cabinets up there. Beautiful. Never used. Okay, that's that. Let's see what else we have here. What else we got? Okay, it's a two-family house. So there's the second unit. Going in the door of the second unit. Up the stairs. All fresh. Painted. Wow, this is really beautiful. Okay, so we've got a brand new bathroom. Very nice, beautiful new bathroom. You can see it from there. Got some nice tiles on the walls. Very nice. This is one of 3 bedrooms. Up here, really nice. Here goes bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Here you've got living space. Look at that. What a beautiful living room. Beautiful floors. Hardwood floors, kitchen, brand new, never used. Take a look. We have completely new, beautiful kitchen, galley style, again, with our shaker cabinets right up to the ceiling. Brand new, never used before. Very nice. Okay, so this house has an asking price of $670,000. We're having an open house Saturday, August 24th from noon to 4 p.m. If you know anybody looking to buy this house, this is a fantastic house, great investment, Mount Vernon, 416 Highland Avenue, Mount Vernon, New York. Asking price $670,000. Great investment. Rentals here are in high demand. Okay, see you next time. Okay, I just came from putting a sign up on 416 Highland Avenue, and now I'm heading back to my office in Tarrytown. We'll see where this goes.